On the left.
Restore duplex, smoke from the third floor.
He's right.
Get shocked him.
Just the door.
Chief, it came across main dispatch.
Want to give me a little tap?
There you go.
There you go. Where's the line? I don't know where that line
Give me
is.
a report that we're going to need help.
Go ahead, boy. Go ahead. Go ahead. All right, you got line, Lou. Plenty of line. Here comes your water. Right here to my feet. Right here, John. Come pull this with me. Yo, you got a hook? Let's pull that. All right.
Here it comes.
There you go. Let me see that hook
So
then.
you thinking it's in the floor? I'm going to have truck 2 bring a saw in.
Can I see that, Lou? Alright. Oh, I need this.
Guys from Chief, give me first alarm. Count the first one. Okay, count. Here we go. Wagon 3, get an additional line into 2, hook the ceiling. Julia Wall. Julia Wall. You're going to see one additional line into the second floor. I need to hook the ceiling to try and get...
Can you get this shit on? Where at?
You're into the rear, guys, but it looks like your knee walls around that third floor needs to open up yet.
Who's on the fucking truck? It's not in the walls, Johnny.
How about slot fault?
Here.
343. Your spot.
Here. Right here. Okay.